Hi guys, and welcome to our next lesson on rounding. Today we're going to review what we learned yesterday about how to round to the nearest 10. So I'm going to start with a number in the tens place, 74. And remember, the first thing that you want to think about is what two tens is 74 between. So 74 is in between 70 and 80. And in our last lesson, we learned how to use a number line to figure out which 10 is closer. So we would have 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and then 80. So 71, 2, 3, 4. Here would be 74. Now, in order for me to figure out which 10 it's closer to on a number line, I could count the jumps. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps to get to 70. Now let's see how many jumps to get to 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. So there were less jumps to get to 70. So 74 rounded to the nearest 10 would be 70. And we also learned how to look at the ones place to figure out which 10 the number is closest to. So remember, if the number in the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, it's going to round down to the lesser 10. If that digit in the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it's going to round up to the next 10. So the neighbor to the right is always right and will tell that 10 what to do. 4 will tell the 10 to round down to the lesser 10. So 74 rounds down to 70. All right, let's try another example. All right, this time I'm going to use a number that's in the hundreds place. So I'm going to use 678. And we're rounding this number to the nearest 10. So I'm going to look at my tens and my ones and figure out what the nearest 10 would be to 678. Can you figure it out? The tens that 678 would be between would be 670 and 680. So we're going to take a closer look at that ones place to figure out which 10 is nearest. So that ones place is the neighbor to the right, who's always right and will tell us what to do. If the digit in the ones place is 0 through 4, that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it would tell 678 to round down to that 10. If the digit in the ones place is 5 through 9, that would be 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. It will tell 678 to round up to the next 10. Because 8 is 5 through 9, it will tell this number, 678, to round up to 680. So the nearest 10 to 678 would be 680. Great job. The next one I want you guys to try with me. So go ahead and get a whiteboard and marker or a paper and a pencil ready. Pause this video and press play when you're ready with those materials. Okay, the next number we're going to do will be in the hundreds place. We're going to use 791. Now first, what do we have to do? Hopefully you said that we have to look to see what the nearest tens are. So 790 would be the 10 to the left. And what would 10 more be? Pause this video, think about it. Press play when you're ready to reveal. 10 more would be 800, because if we added 10 more to 790, it would be 800. All right, our next step is to look at the digit in the ones place, because it's going to tell our tens what to do. If that digit in the ones place is 0 through 4, it will tell that number to round down to the lesser 10. If the digit is 5 through 9, it will tell us to round up to the next 10. 1 is going to tell the 9 to do what? Pause this video and press play when you're ready. That 1 is going to tell the 9 to round down to the lower 10. So 791 rounds down to 790 when we're looking at the nearest 10. Great job, guys. Go ahead and erase your board and get ready for another practice example. All right, this is going to be your last practice example before I show you guys what you'll be doing for your independent practice today. So go ahead and write this number with me, 585. And let's think about what two tens 585 is between. Pause this video, write the two tens that 585 is between, and press play when you're ready to reveal. 585 is between 580 and 590. We're looking to round to the nearest 10, and the neighbor to the right is always right and will tell us what to do. If the neighbor is 0 through 4, it will tell us to round down to the lesser 10. If the neighbor is 5 through 9, it will tell us to round up to the next 10. What number does 585 round to when we're looking at the nearest 10? 580 or 590? Pause this video and press play when you're ready to reveal your answer. 585 rounds up to 590. Because remember, if it has a 5, we always round up, because if it's 5 through 9, it tells us to go up to the next 10. All right, great job, guys. Today you're going to be doing some independent practice today. There are a couple of different problem styles that you're going to be working with. And I hope that you remember everything that we learned in this lesson. If you need help during your independent practice, don't forget that you can always go back to this video and watch it again or watch parts of it again. Great job, guys. Can't wait to see how you do. Try your best.